What up guys, we are back and we have the famous blue box from Adidas. So in plastic waste and the stripes, the Adidas logo, trefoil logo, and the other side still the same logo. By the way, this much is made with recycled materials, so this is very nice for the environment. So as you can see, this is the Adidas NY90 size 7.5 US, and the color is white, 7.5 size US, and the original price for this shoes is 4,800, and I only paid about 2,800 pesos since it is sale from Zalora. So let's open it up. Ooh, that's very nice looking, white, very clean, very nice stitching as you can see here. I'm not very sure though why Adidas likes thin laces, unlike the, of course, the Nike. So here we have a hint or a small area of suede. It is well stitched as you can see. This is gray, and the Adidas, and this is embroidered Adidas trefoil logo embroidered. Upper is leather. Again, the other side is still suede, and it is well padded for comfort. The back heel, so let me and yeah, as you can see, this is the trefoil logo of Adidas, and it is made in Indonesia. It was manufactured on 9th of 2021, September 2021, and as you can see, the size is 7.5 US price, and then prime green for your foot. It is well padded as well for comfort purposes, of course. The tongue is super nice. Let me get the other one as well. Okay, let me go ahead and close that. Again, the price, Adidas NY90. The tag, this is really nice and looks nice. I can't wait to wear this pair of shoes. Thin laces, the tongue looks really good. Okay, foot is made with rubber. The stitching and rubber looks really good. Let me focus on that. The Adidas and the trefoil logo.